Family businesses play a pivotal role in economies worldwide, contributing to over 70% of global GDP. But to ensure their smooth operation, a solid foundation is essential, often taking the form of a family business contract. One of the most important aspects of this type of agreement is clarity. Both parties should clearly understand their roles, responsibilities, and rights within the company. Before we get into the specifics of a family business contract, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you can stay updated about business topics that can save you time and money. Family businesses account for about 60% of all employment in the US. Given this significant contribution, it's clear how defining responsibilities can prevent misunderstandings and conflicts. Next, the contract should outline the compensation and profit-sharing mechanisms. While it may feel odd to discuss finances with family, it's essential to be transparent and fair, ensuring everyone feels valued and rewarded for their contribution. Additionally, dispute resolution is a key component. About 15% of family businesses face internal disputes every year. By having a predetermined resolution process, these disputes can be managed more effectively, preserving both the business and family relationships. An important aspect to consider is the company's succession plan. With nearly 53% of family businesses having no succession plan in place, it's crucial to determine early on who will take over and under what conditions. The contract should also touch on ownership transfer and stock shares. Deciding how, when, and to whom shares can be sold or passed on can prevent future complications. With over half of family businesses being passed down to the second generation, it's also essential to specify training and mentorship programs. This ensures that the next generation is well equipped to manage the enterprise. Finally, it is advisable to review the contract periodically. As businesses grow and dynamics change, it's important to ensure the contract remains relevant and effective. Remember, while family businesses might start from a place of trust and shared history, a well-structured contract is the backbone of longevity and success. The goal is to combine the strengths of family ties with the rigors of the business world to create a lasting legacy. If you need more information about this type of contract, please visit legalregistration.com, or you are welcome to call our experts right now at 877-955-7111. Also, what do you think about family business contacts? Is there a specific strategy that you believe works best when creating them? Drop a comment below and let us know your opinion. Please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you can stay updated about important information designed to benefit your business.